इंडिया मुझे खेलने नहीं देगी। आई एम अ ब्रिटिश सिटीजन बाबूजी।
ब्रिटिश चमचा क्यों नहीं कहता?
ये मेरी गलती है कि आप यहाँ आके सेटल हो गए। क्या फर्क पड़ता है कि मैं इंग्लैंड के लिए खेलता हूँ?
क्या फर्क पड़ता है? अगर तू इंग्लैंड के लिए खेलेगा तो मैं अपनी जान दे दूंगा।
Hardegat Singh Carlo, 34-year-old fast bowler from Southall.
मैं एक शॉपकीपर हूँ और शॉपकीपर रहना चाहता हूँ।
The current England team simply has to be replaced.
तुम्हें दूसरा चांस मिल रहा है अपना सपना पूरा करने के लिए। Do what you were born to do.
I wanted to be the best martial art teacher, and for that, you won't believe it. And this is the truth. I told my father, I want to be a martial art, and he couldn't afford to send me to Bangkok. That's the place where I wanted to learn martial art. And I still remember the day when he had this dream, when he saw that I want to become a martial art teacher, and he supported me for it. He took money on interest and bought me a ticket just to go to Bangkok. And I went. And I didn't know this because I was too young to know that my father has taken money on interest. And I got this ticket and I went there. And later on my uncle told me that he had done that. And I realized each and every value of money, what it is, how it is. And I started learning martial art and I gave my everything. And that has helped me till today also to fulfill lots of things. What I just want to tell you all guys is, dream of big things in life. And believe in it. Go for it. If I can make it in this industry, y'all can guys easily make it. It's not a big thing.
It was great working with you. He is a very professional person, and there's a lot to learn from him because after having done so many films, if this man can still come bang on time to shoot and be there, he's not someone who's going to be like, oh, okay, I'm done with my shots and I'm going back to my van to chill. He'll be there, he'll want to know what's happening, what's going on. He's so involved, and that's extremely inspiring. So for me, like you guys, I'm also really new here. So I learned a lot from him. And I know that if he can do it after so many films, I bloody well will do it after how many other films I've done. I will want to be as professional as him. The story basically is about father and son, Mr. Rishi Kapoor's character and Akshay Kumar's character. It's about second chances. Many a times, like we've been speaking, not everyone gets one chance also. You spoke about luck and you spoke about many things. Sometimes people get a second opportunity in life, which is what happens to Gattu. When he was 17 years old, he was a cricketer, he was very good, and he was selected to play for the England team. But he was forbidden to play by his father because they had experienced some racial discrimination against them, and a huge thing had taken place in the family, which sort of makes him go against the British at the time, and he carries on that frustration and forbids the family members to do what they want to do. There are lots of people, like for example Puneet, he wants to be a chef, he wants to be a rapper. Nobody knows about the dreams that these kids possess because they're not allowed to speak about it. And that's when Simran, which is my character, comes into the film, and she sort of, she fancies him, fancies Gattu, and she inspires him, motivates him to go follow his dream.
Gattu, the character played by Akshay Kumar, was asked to sacrifice a dream because of certain circumstances, because of certain restrictions put on him by his father. Okay, and lots of us actually have, I remember that when I started working in the film industry about 15 years ago, my grandmother turned around. I worked in a film called Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, and after it was a hit, my grandmother turned to my father and said, "Abhi isko naukri dilwa do." So we always grew up. I grew up in a family that thought that making films was just a hobby and just pastime. I'm sure most of you also, I mean, so that's what Gattu's life is also. Gattu's father actually thinks that he asks him to give up a dream. And over the years, his family, which is all sitting over here, are similarly dubbed by the father because they all feel that because Gattu did not stand up 15, 16, 17 years ago, he becomes an example to the father to make them also follow what he thinks is right. So when they ask him, since they want to break free, they ask him to stand up and they ask him to basically take that second chance. So Patiala House is a film about second chance.
एक बार अपना सपना सच करके दिखा दो, जीत के दिखा दो, तब जाके परियाला हाउस बाबूजी के सामने सर ऊंचा करके अपनी जिंदगी वापस मांग सकते हैं।
इस घर में कोई अपनी मर्जी की नहीं कर सकता, क्योंकि तुमने हमेशा बाबूजी की मर्जी की है।
अपने बेटे को उसका सपना पूरा करके देखना चाहती हूँ।
मैंने तो एक छोटा सा सपना देखने की हिम्मत की है बाबूजी।
हिम्मत नहीं, जुर्रत की है तूने, जुर्रत।
भूल गया था बाबूजी कि इस घर में सिर्फ आप ही जी सकते हैं।